What's going on, guys? It is freaking like 65 today, so it is nice. I haven't opened up all my windows yet, but figured it's a nice day to take the Z for a drive. Do I want to? No. But Josh can only tow one car later, and I really want both cars at the shop. And Ronnie's gonna come follow me. And my Z is gonna be a Subaru for the day. So yeah, let's pray for your boy.
Cause the real gon' struggle. A lot of suckers get the glory. It's a new day. She tripping off a Duce. Lonely at the top, yeah, shit, breathing on.
Well, I just moved that, so I don't know what was so hard about just, you know, doing this. Could have easily pushed it, but all right. Here's my cop blocker for the day. Yes, I said cop blocker, YouTube, alright? I don't want to see that damn yellow shit. So, for those who don't know, which I'm sure everyone does, this is my LS 350Z. It's not registered. It doesn't have wipers. It doesn't have headlights, taillights, blinkers, hazards. It doesn't have anything. It has an engine and brakes and a steering wheel. That's about it. And got about an 18-minute drive if we're swift with it. I'm hoping it's like rush hour traffic or something. But that's it. I don't even have like a speedo in this thing. I literally just have this Raspberry Pi dash that I can read like my temperature, RPM, fuel, all that bullshit off of. So that's about it. Alright, I got coolant temp, I got all my shit. I guess let's head out. These coils are so fucked. First leg of the journey was a success. Ronnie's good at following. Now we pick up Callie. Watch out for my Mountain Dew.
I see it.
In the camera. Oh wait, no, I have the camera. Oh man. We're met. I can't wait to take this thing on the Merit and just cruise.
out.
You're good.
No, like the door.
Damn, this thing looks a mint.
The weight on the door of the door on me.
Hey, you made it, no problem. That was awesome.
I scraped the shit out of that fucking thing over there. What do you mean, like get into that, like with the bump? I miss driving the thing, but the suspension is shot. What? I opened the wrong shop. I was like, what? I was like, what's the Ronnie bugging out about over there?
Watch it.
Dill hole.
You're a dill hole. Sweet. You like my folding table?
Yes, this is a very nice little alcove you have here.
Alcove?
Yes, an alcove. I'm jealous. It looks good.
I have a welded diff. Josh is here. All right, Callie, let's bring your ass.
Did you see
in.
my comment on your post?
No. Should be good. I just gotta close the door and put the window down. You know how much shit I just had to do? I just had to like jump all over the place. Fuck. It's on. Yo, come here, look at this.
But it's too scary.
It's not too scary. You're gonna ride that in the summer. You have no problem.
Hold me up.
Hold you up?
Balance me.
You balance you.
Stand. Dang it, I'm unbalanced.
I got you. I got you. Go ahead.
You're gonna let me go.
No, I'm not. My hand's here. You're good.
Promise?
Yeah, you're good, Callie.
Damian. I want to. Ooh, that's scary. I don't like it.
Yeah, but bumps are a lot smaller on these bigger bikes.
Yeah, but I like when both my feet can touch the ground.
It's weird seeing the car in this backwards, but it's fine. Okay. Now we take Callie home, and then we come back. We get the dirt bikes. All right. So now that we're back, just drop Callie off. I'm gonna just take everything that I can take, or that I want anyway, in my car and the truck combined. So, you know, welder, like all of this shit, literally all of this shit is gonna go in the Subi. The gas can we'll put in the back of the truck. All this shit can go in that box and then in the Subi. And the two dirt bikes are gonna be in the truck. And the bumper is gonna be in the truck. And I'll put that shit, my broom and my friggin' dustpan, in the Subi. Then I'll come back, oh, and these friggin' bed frame things. These cots, definitely not leaving those. These are like 300 bucks a piece. All this stuff's gonna go in the Subi anyways. And then I'll come back and I'll put like all this stuff in the van and just drive the van away. Will be mint. Alright, well, that's about all I'm taking today. Both cars, both bikes, the whole mess that was here, all the tools. We'll take that and throw it in the truck. But my car's jam-packed full of shit. We got this going on over here. So we got the Prelude back here. The ramps, all that stuff. And then up top here, we have the bikes, the gas can. Yeah, we're mint. And my car is full of bullshit that I'm just gonna follow them with, so.
Getting shit done.
Yes, sir.
That's what it's all about.
Let's go get some fucking food and head to the shop, boy.
Hey hoes ain't happy, and happy hoes ain't hate. Better check the situation.
All right, we're here. I think I'm just gonna have Josh pull up all the way up there, and we'll try to unload this as quick as possible in case anyone comes by, but it's kind of late. I don't think anyone's coming by, so we should be all right. All right. That was a hard push, but we got it. Boom. So, as I stated, Obviously, if I'm gonna have to work on like the side of one of these, like jack up the side or something like that, well, I could pull one forward or back one up, whatever. I got Callie's bike right here. My bike's on the other side. Got room to walk around it, get in. You know, what else could I ask for here? Now, like I said, this isn't going to be permanent. The only car that's going to be permanently in here or being stored or whatever, the Z has a dedicated spot in here. The Prelude is getting registered as soon as I can get this thing up and running and then tuned. I'm going to be painting it here, all that stuff. So, I'm just letting you guys know. No, there's not always going to be 2 cars in here. If there was 1 car in here, there'd be a lot of room. But there's still a good amount of room. I think we did very good with the organization of this shop. If I had a lift, definitely would not be able to do this. If I didn't have shelves, definitely wouldn't be able to do this. Let alone, like, you know, not for nothing, I also have 2 dirt bikes in here, which take up a lot of, like, stagnant space. Should build a dirt bike lift and have them glued to the wall right here like action figure dirt bikes, but good amount of room. Working on the front of them is no problem. I could literally swap both of these things as they sit right here. There's plenty of room. It's about probably 10 feet to the door, something like that. So say I have to jack this one up, I can pull the Z up over here. Either way, blah, 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 blah. But this thing is on the to-do list first, and then the Z, and then drifting, and then having a cool turbo Honda daily that isn't this color. I'm going to paint it, but I have a bunch of other stuff left in the truck to friggin' drop off, and I'm not organizing all that tonight because I actually have to organize the shelves, so I'm just going to drop all of it in this corner and then come back tomorrow and organize everything, get everything all set, start working on the Prelude maybe. And yeah, so I'm gonna go unload all that stuff and I'll be back to you guys when I unload all the stuff. So I noticed my tire is kind of flat, and then I noticed, boom, there's a fat screw in my tire. Not sick. So yeah, I definitely don't use these, so don't know where that came from, but
You could hear it just pissing out.
yeah. At least it already made a hole for me. We went to, what was it? We went to CVS and 3 gas stations.
Yeah.
And
Then
Walmart.
Walmart.
The Walmart was closed.
Walmart closed at 10 o'clock.
Look at this weird ass kit. Look at this ganj ass kit, dude. Okay, well I got the tire plugged, 40 PSI, blah, 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 blah. Oh man, without bad cannot come good versus vice. You know what I mean? Shot, but if you're wondering what that wet spot is, that's all rubber cement. But it's not, but I tried like 3 plugs. The first like 3 broke in half. They're like the rubber plugs. They're not like the tar plugs, which is what I'm used to, but I guess it freaking worked out eventually. Like I was filling it up the first time. Josh is like, yo, shit's bubbling. Sent another one home and now it's not bubbling, so I guess we're good. Yeah, but you guys get the point. Cars are in the shop. Blah, blah, blah. Friggin' all this stuff's over here. I'll be back tomorrow. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my clickbait title and cool rolling shots. Shout out to Ronnie. Follow his channel. Shout out to Josh. Follow his Instagram because the boy fucking helped me out, dumb him out.
Getting shit done.
Hell yeah, boy. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Friggin' peace out. Put the hand over the camera, dude.
There you go.